Are you an aspiring or seasoned Python developer seeking a robust environment to write, run, and learn Python 3 directly on your mobile device? Python Coding Editor 3 IDE app, often with variations in its full name, aims to provide a comprehensive, portable solution. I've found its features like seamless execution of scripts, built-in AI assistance for debugging and code improvement, syntax highlighting, and an integrated debugger invaluable for on-the-go coding and learning. Users praise its user-friendly interface, coding challenges, and the ability to access the official Python tutorial and standard library documentation within the app. However, a common theme in user feedback is that many advanced features, including unlimited execution or saving, often require a subscription or developer upgrade. Some users report glitches, particularly with the keyboard not reappearing or the app hanging. While it's great for learning and small scripts, performance might be an issue for larger projects due to mobile hardware limitations and the interpreted nature of Python. Despite the potential for in-app purchases and occasional bugs, for its core promise of bringing a powerful Python 3 IDE to your mobile, it's a valuable tool. What's your thought?